A pleasant evening, Zimbabwe, and welcome to tonight's weather report and forecast. Hope you had a wonderful weekend. Looking at some of the rainfall that fell over parts of the country, we had mostly over the western parts of Unkai, Cholocho, Kokwe, with 19, 11, and 8 millimeters respectively, whilst to the eastern parts, Mutasa had 8 millimeters. This was because of moisture that was drifting in over much of the country. This led to cloudy and mild conditions over much of the country, with the rain coming in waves, where we had the first wave now in Mutasa districts over the eastern highlands, whilst another one is entering in from the west, giving us those scattered storms that were over Cholocho and Gai areas. The cooling winds over the southern parts are driving most of the moisture northwards, leading to more of the clearance happening over the southern parts of the country, as seen here in our satellite image, more to Botswana as well. We're expecting thunder weather to drift in from the west, giving us more of the rainfall along that main watershed, where we're expecting most of that rainfall over much of the next few days. But to the south, we're expecting less, as that moisture is being driven out, and we're expecting it to clear out as we get into Thursday and Friday over those southern parts. But for tomorrow, we're expecting much of the mild conditions in the early hours of the morning. We were expecting most of our temperatures to be between 15 and 25 degrees Celsius. To the afternoons, we're expecting mostly warm category temperatures. We were expecting Bulawayo to be at 26 by afternoon, 26 for much of this week, but for Matopo, we're expecting it to rise to 29 on Wednesday and Thursday as the clouds start clearing off over those southern parts. Same for Kwanda, we're expecting a bit of warmth around Wednesday, and for Gweru, we're expecting it to slightly warm up to 28 on Wednesday and Thursday, but still a few rain showers projected there. Masvingo also expecting the same, with the temperatures warming up slightly, whilst Nyanga warms up to 25 on Thursday. Cooling conditions over Marandra for much of this week, with a maximum of 27 on Thursday. And for Harare, we're expecting it to rise to 28 from Wednesday onwards. And for Kwekwe, we're expecting 30s from Tuesday onwards, making it rather warm over Kwekwe, with slight chance of shower for tomorrow, whilst Kadoma is at 28 tomorrow, going up to 31 around Tuesday, whilst Chino is at 30 on Tuesday and Wednesday, 31, whilst Victoria Falls weekends off at 31, it goes up to about 33 around Thursday. So it's warming up over Victoria Falls. Lupane also warming up slightly as our southeasterlies are dying down. Bindura also under the same influence, with a maximum of 29 around Wednesday. Kariba mostly warm for much of this week, with temperatures above 30 projected there for much of the period. And with that, we wish you a pleasant evening ahead. It's James Ngoma Jr. for the Met Department.